Before you buy pegboard, measure your space. I wanted the board to start just above my craft table and take up the majority of the wall. Use a stud finder to determine where you can drill into the wall. In most houses, the studs are either 16 or 24 inches apart. Knowing this number will help you determine how far apart to place the screws. You can get pegboard cut to a custom size, or you can buy pre-cut panels. Tape off and cover any parts of the board that you don't want to paint. I'd recommend spray paint for this project because it's faster than a paintbrush or a foam roller, and it won't clog the holes in the board. I let this dry for 12 hours before hanging it on the wall. These are the 3 pieces you'll need to connect the board to the wall. This anchor is for drywall. If you're drilling into the stud, you won't need this. The spacer will create a gap between the board and the wall so that you can fit attachments into the holes. And of course, you'll need a screw to secure the board to the wall. I didn't want to place the screw through the holes at the corner of the board because of the spacers, so I chose this hole instead. Now it's time to mark up the wall. It helps to have a second person for this part. Hold the board up to the wall and mark the holes with pencil. Don't forget to use a level to keep the board straight. Again, I'm not marking the holes at the edge of the board because I don't want the spacers to be visible. Place the drill bit over the pencil mark and give it a tap with something heavy to create a notch in the wall. If you're drilling into drywall, add an anchor. If you're drilling into a stud, you can skip the anchor. Now it's time to screw the board into the wall. I taped the spacers to the back of the board before I got started, just to make it easier on myself because I didn't have a second set of hands for this part. After the first panel was up, the process was much easier because I didn't have to use a level every time. Before I put my attachments on the board, I spray painted them gold. Thank you so much for watching. I will have the full craft room tour in a couple of weeks. If you missed it, I already posted a sneak peek of this room a few weeks ago, so I'll be sure to link that somewhere over here. I think that's all I have for you guys today, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.